Legenia. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today is Monday, October the 18th. So this is Vlogtober day number 18. The vlog I put up yesterday was the taste test of the fall finds at Trader Joe's. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was certainly fun making it. So if you guys tried any of those things or plan on trying any of those things, let me know. Make sure you go to the comment section and let me know. But today, so far I have been working not a very event-filled day at all. So hadn't been doing a lot today. Been doing a lot of administrative work for Sincerely Legenia Keto Spice Blends. And right now I am on my way to get me some lunch, and then I'm going up to the mall to pick up some shoes. There are these shoes I wanted to get. Angelina told me that she didn't like them. She thought that they were ugly. And then my daughter calls me, my other daughter that lives a good few hours away. She calls, it's like, hey mom, you like my new shoes? And would y'all believe they are the exact same shoes that I was trying on yesterday at the mall that Angelina was like, oh, I don't like those. Well, I'm going to pick them up today because I like them and I think they're gorgeous. And the fact that my daughter bought the same shoes all the way in a whole nother town, had no idea I was looking at them. That's just so funny to me. So anyway, I'm gonna get my shoes, but right now I am headed to get me some lunch and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having. All right guys, so I've got my lunch here. I've got my favorite Louisiana rub, and then I've got my Cajun on this side, and then of course I've got my delicious water here. And yeah, this is my lunch and I'm getting ready to chow down. It is getting really late. I'm saying really late for me. It's a few minutes to 9 o'clock. I want something sweet, so I have this Burch Benders Brownie a la cup right here, and I'm gonna give this a try because I have not given this a try. I tried, I think, like the Duncan Hines or something on here before, but I've never tried this one. And if I'm not mistaken, my good friend Tiffany bought this one for me, if I'm not mistaken. I know she gave me several keto treats, and I'm thinking this is one of them. Another one that she gave me, and I was thinking about trying this one, are these Keto Bites right here. She had sent this to me in a box, and I have not tried this one yet either, but I think I'm really in the mood for a brownie, and I think I'm gonna give this one a try first. So it says it's 3 net carbs per cup right here. Let's see what some of the sugars are. Erythritol, dark chocolate. These are the ingredients. Erythritol, dark chocolate chips, cocoa butter, stevia extract, sunflower, almond flour. I need my glasses. Oil powder. I don't know what oil powder is. I have to look that up. Oh Lord, I need my glasses, you guys. Let's get into these other words that we don't say every day. But anyway, from what I'm reading right now, nothing too bad in here. Okay, xanthan gum, I think that's what I see, and salt. Oh my gosh, y'all, age is really creeping up on me. So far, I'm not reading anything that's too bad. And Burch Benders is usually a pretty okay brand as far as the ingredients, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and give this a try. I did read over the instructions. It said add 3 tablespoons of water, mix well until smooth, and microwave on high for 60 seconds. So that is what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my 3 tablespoons of water. There's my tablespoons. Okay, so this right here is 2. So there goes 2. Put in 1 more. Okay, 1 more. Now let's mix it up. And I'm using a plastic spoon, y'all. I told y'all it's late. I really don't need to even be eating this late. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this anyway. Just get me a little something. I doubt that I'm gonna even eat the whole thing. May just save the rest till tomorrow, but I just want a little bite of something sweet, and I don't want to mess up and eat anything else because we got some, you know, I don't have any more of my pumpkin ice cream. It's gone. And it says to mix until smooth, and I think it's pretty smooth. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see. Can you guys see the consistency there? Looks pretty smooth. Smells chocolatey. Smells good. All right, so now I'm gonna stick this in the microwave for 60 seconds, bring it back, and I'll let you guys see. All right, I've gotten it out of the microwave now, and let me let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, I hope you can see. I want the shadow to be there. That's a little bit better. Okay, it smells like a brownie. Yeah, it smells like a brownie. It's not as chocolatey smelling anymore. But anyway, I'm going to kind of tear into it so we can see what the texture is like. All right. Okay, it looks like a brownie. Let's see if you guys can see the texture of that really good. I don't know if that helps. Can you guys see? Okay, I hope that's good. Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, so anyway, let's give this a taste. I think there's some chocolate chips in here too. Double chocolate, no added sugar, grain-free. The only sugar that I saw in here was the erythritol. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, all right. You really gotta wait till the stuff cools down. I kind of burned my tongue a little bit. Let me see. It's really hot, guys. Well, it's not my favorite. It's really not my favorite. I'll tell you what. I don't want anything else sweet anymore. It's not my favorite. It does taste brownie-like. I think it's the texture I don't like of it. It's kind of grainy a little bit. It's not horrible. It's not horrible, but it's not my favorite. So if I was to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably, I'd give this a 4, okay? It doesn't taste horribly bad, but it's not my favorite, and I would not buy this again. But it satisfied my sweet tooth, that's for sure. I don't want anything else sweet. It's very chocolatey, not very, it's, oh, this one's hard to describe. It's like almost a brownie type something. I don't like the texture of it. It's a little too mushy to be a brownie. It's not very chocolatey. It's like a hint of chocolate or fake chocolate. I'm not even doing this review any justice. It's hard to explain. I'm not fond of it. I would not tell any of you, my friends, to go out and buy it. I would say let's try another route. So the Burch Benders brownies, keto brownies in a cup, I do not recommend. I'm not fond of it. If you have tried this and you like it, let me know. Maybe I need to do something else, maybe. But as of right now, it is not my favorite at this present time. Okay. All right. So again, if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know your thoughts. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's vlog. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. That brownie was just enough for me. It's left a bad taste in my mouth. Bad aftertaste. So I do not recommend that brownie. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will talk to you in tomorrow's vlog, but thank you for joining me today. It is always a pleasure. Until tomorrow, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you in tomorrow's video.